I am live again. I'm just going live before. Usually, I do this before we start the operation sa restaurant, but we got so busy earlier. We have big orders of pizza. Yes, we serve some pizza, some pasta, burgers, some appetizers like that. And I remember when we first get the restaurant, we actually ask, sobrang bago pa lang kami nun. Okay, this is just an introduction of who I am dun sa mga bago sa business page ko. I would just like to introduce to you myself. So like, I am Melissa. My name is Melissa. I am a parent of two. I am originally from the Philippines, now living in Canada. And then we have a small restaurant here sa small town ng Alberta. Okay, like I mentioned, when we have the restaurant, we actually talk to other pizza restaurant owners and we ask them gaano kadaming pizza ang na-order sa kanila in a day. And he mentioned to us, like, siguro sa mga uh, quiet times, they got at least 15 pizza. Yun yung pinaka-quiet na oras na. So at that time, me and my husband are actually like surprised na, talaga, 15 pizza? Parang surprise na kami noon kasi when we first opened the business, parang nakakaisa hanggang dalawang pizza orders lang kami within the day. Imagine, that is the risk that we took nung nag-start kami mag-business. Ronald and I came from a good company, especially Ron's job. He's working at the town, like the government. Ang daming magandang benefits ng company, especially sa retirement. Ang daming mga benepisyo na ino-offer sa kanilang mga empleyado. If you are actually going to stay with that company, kumbaga stable ka na. While me, I just recently promoted as a general manager of the hotel. Pero you know what we realized? Si Ron, passionate niya talaga ang magluto. Me, as a general manager, of course, you always wanted to reach a high sale that you could bring in for the company. But then, it always never enough. Hindi enough yung binibigay mong trabaho. So, I mean, when we had the opportunity to own the restaurant, we were thinking na both of us are working for somebody else. Kahit na magtrabaho kami na magtrabaho ng gusto, sinong pinapayaman namin? Di ibang tao. It's not our own business. Kaya nag-take kami ng risk. Nung sinabing may binibentang restaurant, sabi namin, sige, let's get the restaurant. Wala kaming experience. We don't have the experience. We don't have that much money for a capital. Pero nakatabing savings kahit paano kasi yun yung pinagsimula namin sa restaurant. But the majority of the strength that we are getting is yun lang, faith lang, dasal lang, sana mag-survive. And you know what? We have the pandemic na ano namin ang pandemic na encounter namin. Imagine we acquired the restaurant November 2019 and after a few months, it's pandemic. February 2020 nung nag-restrict sila ng the government imposed restrictions, especially for traditional business like us, na nag-strict. And do I have a great experience as a restaurant? No. Actually, when I started, ako yung nasa front of the line, Ronald is in the kitchen. And I've been telling this to other business owners as well that I have started going out from my comfort zone. Hindi ko gusto nagsiserve ng pagkain. I am very clumsy, konting hawak, or basta hindi ako ganun ka-confident to serve people who are hungry. And when we have the restaurant, actually nagdadasal ako na sana walang pumasok. Because ganun ako katakot na magsilbi ng pagkain para sa mga tao. But you know what? I kept on telling that, I kept on praying na, Lord, sana walang pumasok na tao. And of course, if you are going to pray for that, how are you going to earn money from your business? Kung hindi ka lalabas sa comfort zone mo, babagsak yung company. Babagsak yung sinimulan mong negosyo. So from then on, sabi ko, kailangan lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko. Kailangan i-conquer ko na kung ano yung kinatatakutan ko. So from there, I studied how to become a better server, how to become better on customer service, especially on the food industry. Pinag-aralan ko yon kasi kailangan namin makasurvive. And then, let's fast forward. The digital business has been introduced to me by a friend. She told me that she is wanting to to show me a business opportunity that maybe I may be interested to go as well. Sabi ko, I don't have any market. Ang buhay ko nasa trabaho, pamilya lang, and I don't have so much friends to sell kung selling yan. Sabi niya, no, it is not selling. You're not going to chase any people to do selling, but you are actually going to use social media to leverage and spread the opportunity so people would know that we have a system, we are going to follow a system, an automated system, na it will work for you. So kahit na nasa restaurant ka or you're with a family, the business will run to you in the background. So yes, I look into the business with a very skeptical mind. Ako na yata yung pinaka-skeptic na business owner na makikilala mo. And because I'm new on this kind of business, I have so many doubts. Akala ko networking, MLM, pyramiding. Okay, pyramiding. You know, when you are in the business, you have to study and do your own research because you don't want your name to be on something that um, pinangalagaan mo yung pangalan mo, and then you will join on a company that doesn't align with your values. Kaya kailangan pag-aralan mo yung negosyo. And then, again, fast forward, I'm still here and doing the business, sharing the opportunity to everyone because I know I have seen it's changed life. Imagine me leveraging social media, and before I am only using social media to browse lang to keep updated with my family and friends so we could still get that connection, so we could still continue keeping in touch. And then now I am still using social media, but most of the time this is for my digital business. I'm very careful with my time now. I studied a lot. If you are passionate on something and to do business, but you have no idea on how you are going to do it, let's connect because I can help you get started because this is what I am into right now. I don't have any experience. And then when I am into the business, that is only when I realize na kailangan mo nga magkaroon ng extra income aside from what you have right now because lahat ng bilihin nagtataas na. And aside from that, you have to have a financial security just in case something happened. We have a digital business owner before na 15 years na sa company. The company phoned her and said, you're out. Because yung pandemic, yun yung nag-kick sa kanya out of the company, which she actually thought 15 years stable na yon. So after 15 years, and then she just kicked out, just like that. How are you going to survive if you have like monthly bills? Hindi, mahirap yon. But right now, you don't need to wait for a life setbacks bago ka maghahanap ng opportunity. In a day, I am actually receiving at least 30 emails inquiring how you are doing the business. So meaning ganun kadami yung naghahanap ng opportunity ngayon. Again, this business is actually not designed for a 9 to 5 job. Hindi ganun kadali magnegosyo. And like I said, before we started the restaurant business, parang dati may pumasok lang na isa, dalawang tao, ang saya-saya na namin. But now, like this morning, we have served a lot of people bringing foods sa fields, laging group orders. So we are actually happy on that. And then it's the journey. People do not see the hardship. So it is the journey that you have to enjoy. And of course, you have, aside from being passionate about with your business, you have to study about it. You have to have the knowledge in order for you to be successful on the business. And on this digital business, we are actually going to provide you the mentorship, the training that you are going to have in order for you to build the business. Okay. Thank you, Jessie. Yes, it was my birthday the other day and last Sunday actually. And it's a blessing for me, when you wake up in the morning and then you still see your family being healthy. That's one thing that you could be grateful for. Ang daming bagay na you could be grateful for, to have your eyesight, to have you na naririnig mo pa rin yung mga nakikita mong pamilya mo when you wake up in the morning. That's being grateful. Always start your day with a grateful heart, because um, when you wake up in the morning, that's already a miracle. That's already a gift that you are receiving from God. So thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. And then giving me another year with a healthy body and a healthy mind. That's already a blessings to me. Everything is a blessings that's happening. If there are some situations that it becomes tough on your side, be thankful on that. Those are radical gratification that you are receiving. It just only means God is making some ways for you to achieve your goals. And again, I, as a restaurant business owner, I am meeting a lot of people who get stuck on their work. It's tough because I won't be blaming them for being stuck on the job that they have, because the bills continues. And if you only have a little income that you are holding on, you don't want to lose this money because you are investing or taking a risk on building a business. So always find a business na low risk lang yung how to say that, low risk ang chances. So before you go into the business, you have to study about it, because you don't want to lose something that you have right now. And again, everything is getting expensive. While you still can do it, doon ko na-realize na when I started the digital business, why I never look for an opportunity, why I only know is for you to get an extra income is to get another job. Life is not just about work. When you grow old, or when you become mature, you will only realize that relationship is what matters most. Your relationship with your family, and of course, your responsibility, not responsibility, but knowing that you could give a better future for your family, or help your aging parents, or even those messages that you receive on a private message that asking for help, because that's my kid. He is at the restaurant, no school, so he's staying with me. And yeah, do not limit yourself. And that is what happened to me before, when I don't have the digital business. When I only have the restaurant, pag may humingi ng tulong, if somebody asks for help and then saying, financial help, let's say, you will send help financially, pero just a little lang, because that is only what you can afford, because you also have a family of your own. But then, you are limiting yourself. Kaya mo pa. Again, do not look for a second job. Look for an opportunity like this. Me, I am working on this digital business and it runs in the background. I never have to leave the restaurant, and I never have to like collect some inventory or a product to sell. No, I don't do that. But I have a business opportunity like this, which I only use social media to leverage the business. And when you limit yourself, let's say me, if somebody message me and say, okay, I need some financial help because nagkasakit si ganito, nagkasakit si ganyan, I will send help, but I will say pasensya na, because this is the only amount that I can give, because I still have a family to provide. But then if you have an extra income, you have more, you can give more, you can help more. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na nakakatulong ka, because you are not limiting yourself, but because you are generating another extra income stream on the background, aside from what you are currently doing. You have to find something that will create another income stream for you without compromising family time, because time flies. In a blink of an eye, kids will grow. Hi, how are you? Are you dining in, placing an order to go? Know what you want, or
I know what I want to What is the buffalo chicken estimate? Is it just
Just
chicken?
chicken, and then after baking, we salt it with
Buffalo?
ranch. Yeah,
Oh.
no ranch. Buffalo salt inside.
It's on, okay.
Mhm.
Can I get one medium New York?
Yeah.
And I'll get a medium buffalo chicken too.
And you're okay with the ranch, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's everything. Yikes. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry because, like I said, I am here at the restaurant. I am working. Yes, this is the benefits of the digital business. Imagine I can set it aside because I can work at my own terms. We don't have any quota requirements, no quota or no time deadline that you have to submit this and blah. No, you literally can work at your own terms. You can wake up in the morning, early morning, you stay up late. And like me, I am doing live and then I have guests coming in. I can attend to my guests without like this is a digital business. This is what I am doing. Okay, do not think that once you started posting, once you started to go live, you will earn money already. No, there's many, of course. This is not a walk in the park. This is not something that you started and then tomorrow you'll have 1,000 commissions already. No. If you wanted to know more about the business, connect with me. Let's chat because I could explain to you more. And we have a free webinar that you could access. You just register or send me your email address and we could start connecting. I know if you are like me, you will have a lot of questions. And like I said, you wanted to go on a business, you wanted to start a business wherein you could manage everything. You don't need to leave what you are currently doing. And of course, the most importantly, you don't want to compromise another time away from your family. So this is the business that aligns with my values. Okay, let's say, Stamo, okay, I am using social media. I go all live and you would say, I am a very private person. I actually don't want to show my face on social media. There is what you called it, hybrid faceless marketing. You can do digital marketing without showing your face because you only wanted to provide the product and the services that you offer. So a hybrid meaning not completely faceless, but you also show some of your looks just to build the trust on the people who are actually following you because they also wanted to start the business. I know it is scary at the beginning. You will always fearful because you don't know it. But once you are in the insides, you just continue learning, and then time will pass. After learning, you take away the L, you will start earning. Where can you get that? You could start the business maybe in 5 days after you build up, setting up. Okay, again, if you are a very private person, if you are a shy person, or you are an introvert, this is actually perfect for you because on the first day of the training, we are actually teaching you on how to create a business page. So you could separate your business page on your personal page. You can use any social media platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Some people use WhatsApp and LinkedIn. They also use that. It's up to you. Global reach. This digital business is global reach, meaning it's location free. Like I've been receiving emails from different parts of the world. It's so nice. That is the reason why if you have seen some digital business owners talking like this, doing live, they would say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, because we don't know who's watching our go live. And again, if you don't want to be doing live like this, it's okay. Your business, your rules, your term, it's up to you. Okay. So again, if you are interested to connect with me, it's already 3:30. I have some customers too. Usually they come at this time. So I'll cut this off. But if you are wanting or looking for a passive income or another extra income, or if you wanted to build a business but you have no idea on how are you going to get started, let's connect because I can help you. I don't have an experience as well on managing a business like the restaurant or the digital business, but we do it. If you are going to think, why are you doing it? You will learn how to do it. Kapag ka inisip mo na gusto mong makatulong, gusto mong mag-provide ng magandang future sa pamilya mo, gusto mong tulungan yung mga elderly parents mo or kahit yung mga uncles at auntie mo na gusto mong tulungan, I think it's on our culture na we always wanted to extend help. But you won't be able to do and extend that help kung magre-rely ka lang on your one income stream because like I said, everything is getting expensive. So it's about time for you to create another income stream na hindi magkaka-create ng time away from your family. Yun lang. Let's connect. Let's chat. I know you will have more questions on how to do this. Email me or you could access the free website www.theparentpreneur.ca. Yun lang. God bless us, everyone.